Agriculture sector has been major contributor for Indian economy. Agriculture is a primary sector in India, and even today many rural population depend on agriculture. In today's video we are going to discuss about agriculture's export in India and also how this exports has contributed to our Indian economy. Please watch this video till end because in this video you are going to know more about Indian agriculture. First, before I explain major agriculture exports of India, first let us see who are major agricultural export partners of India. The major agricultural exports partners of India are Middle East, Europe Union and Central Asia countries. And also US started to import rice from India, and China is also buying rice from India. India has been a major exporter of pulse and rice in this COVID time. Indian agriculture has made profit of 4.2% by agricultural exports in this financial year of April to September 2020. In 2019 we made profit of 7.2 billion, but in this year we made profit of 18.2 billion. Even though we were having COVID pandemic conditions, our agriculture exports has brought much profit to Indian economy. This profit was due to non-basmati rice. Non-basmati rice has been exported a lot during this COVID pandemic time by India. The basmati rice has made profit of only 4.5%, but non-basmati rice has made profit around 81.9%. The non-basmati rice has been a gold regarding Indian agriculture export. Other than non-basmati rice, raw cotton was major agricultural exporter. It has made profit of 105.7 billion. Even sugar bean a major agriculture exporter. It made profit around 68.5%. And also it has been shipped in price of 2 billion. Generally, agri-commodity world price were hardening in months of COVID pandemic, but when lockdown has been reduced, the price came back to normalcy. But in COVID time, India has increased its surplus in terms of agriculture exports by 8.6 billion. So everyone will be thinking why Akshay is explaining about all these agriculture export data. The simple message of this video is that our agriculture export has saved our Indian economy. Agriculture export was running so well even though all other exports got affected during this COVID pandemic. Our economy has been saved by our agriculture sector, and one of the major reason why agriculture sector has performed well was our agriculture exports. In this recession, every sector has a downfall, but agriculture sector was only sector which survived the recession. We should be thankful for our farmers because they have fed us and also they have fed other country population. We should be thankful for our farmers because they have contributed to our Indian economy. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe. And yes, stay safe, respect India, Jai Hind.